Hello everyone, myself Dr. Renuka Barki, ophthalmologist. This is my YouTube channel, Dr. Barki's Ophthalmology Tutorials. I welcome you all to my channel. First of all, I want to share my thoughts of why I chose this platform. I feel YouTube is very easily accessible to everyone, and students, whenever they are interested to learn, can make use of it. I am focusing mainly on third year MBBS students. My plan is to cover most of their syllabus in a methodical way. There are mainly two ways of looking at ophthalmology or any other subject. First is to learn the subject, and second is to clear the exams. I feel both are not same because many students will be good at subject. They want to understand the subject in depth even at molecular level, but few fail miserably as they will not know how to put things across. They will not know how to write answers, or they wouldn't have concentrated on exam topics. And the next option, I always keep it at last, as the aim should not only be to clear the exams. One or the other day, everyone will pass the exams, but without any subject knowledge, certificate is just a paper without any weightage. So next, discussing about the contents of my video, I want to discuss each topic thoroughly, followed by theory questions, which include 10 marks, 5 mark question and 3 mark questions. I will discuss how and what to write for these questions, and also I will be covering about the Viva topics. For example, if I am discussing conjunctivitis, I will be discussing brief anatomy, followed by definition, pathophysiology, classification, clinical features, investigations and treatment, followed by expected questions on that particular topic. Eventually, I will discuss clinical examination of eye also. All the contents is from standard undergraduate and postgraduate books, as well as words from my teachers. Ophthalmology for undergraduates, they feel it's very difficult, but it's really easy if you learn it in a methodical, proper way. I think eye is the only organ which we see most. We always talk to someone by looking at their eyes. So take this advantage only to study most of the structures of the eye. Just take permission from your friend, and with torchlight only you can examine their eyes. You can see up till lens, means almost 70% of the structures you are visualizing. You can examine n number of persons to know the normal variations or to know what is normal. Rest 30% is vitreous and retina and the optic nerve, etc., which needs little imagination. So if you have the curiosity to know and learn ophthalmology, it will be really easy. If you hope my videos will be good learning tool, do subscribe to my channel and click the ring button. Learning is a never-ending process. Let's learn ophthalmology together. Happy learning. And I am very new to this YouTube and technical things, and forgive me for any technical errors. Thanks for watching.